Hi, today we're going to take a closer look at the Vainu contact details filter. So in Vainu, you've always had the option of filtering out based on the company information. The new addition is that you can now also combine this with actually finding the right contact persons at the company you're searching for. Let's take an easy example. We're right now searching in the Finnish database. Let's say that I wanted to find the CEO and the email address to the CEO of all companies with over 10 employees. What I would start off with is by going looking at the companies filter and just adding employee count more than 10. Apply. And then I will go down here to the new section called contacts. I click here. I go to the function. I click CEO and I click email and apply. And as you can see, I have now a target group of 7,811 companies and I have 9,408 contacts. And as you can see, some of them we have both phone number and email address. And we even have the link to their LinkedIn page. And all of this data is, of course, something that you can utilize by either adding the contacts to your CRM, or if you like to, if you don't have an integration in place today, you could also download these as a CSV file. And if we just take a closer look at it again, as you can see, so we have the function. It's not only CEO. We have a lot of different functions we can look at. If a phone number is more interesting than an email, then of course you can go and search a phone number. And sometimes maybe you're just looking for people that might be decision makers at a company. And then we have a special section for this decision makers. So please go ahead, try it, see what you can find. Hopefully you'll get some new interesting contacts that you can take up a new conversation with. And remember, as always, if you have any questions, we always have our support ready to help you out at all times.